Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to make sliders. Not like we made them the first time. This time it's going to be a whole patty. We're going to do it as a big giant patty though. So what you're going to do is you're going to squish your meat up. Then you want to get it flattened out. Ooh, that's some big meat right there, boy. Wish I had that problem. All right. Don't mind the kids in the background. We're going to season it up. Salt. A little bit of onion powder, guys. Yeah, get some. A little bit of that Danos. Can't be fooled with your Danos. Alright, got Danos, and we're going to do some Lowry seasoning. There's a lot of meat, so don't be afraid to season it. Garlic powder. Don't worry, guys, we're cooking outside on the griddle, so this mess will blow away. And some pepper. Alright, guys, now let's slap that bad boy here on the griddle. Boom. And then we're going to season it the same exact way on the other side. Alright, now make sure you inspect your meat. So we got a little bit more thicker on this side. So we want everything to be as good as we can get it. So that way it cooks evenly. We're just going to smash it down kind of like we do smash burgers. And yes, guys, I got the big spatula out today, boy. Now we're going to brown this side. In case you guys are wondering what's in the background, guys, I live out here in Amish country. And yes, it is the coldest day of the year so far, and they're finishing up cutting down the fields. Alright, guys, it's been on there about 5 minutes. I'm sure it needs a little longer, but we're going to flip it, and then we're going to go get the rolls ready. Ooh, guys, look at that crust. It looks like burner, but it's a lot of the Danos and stuff that's on there. You see, like, most of the Danos they can get down here on this part. God, that's beautiful. Alright, guys, now it's time to put some cheese on that bad boy. Oh, this is going to take forever. Let's speed this crap up. Cheese is on that bad boy. Now we're gonna let it melt. Alright, guys, it's cold out here, so this is melted good enough for me. So get that on over here. Ooh, yeah, baby. Boom! Perfect. Alright, guys, we're in here. Now we're gonna put the top on. That's gonna give us our guidelines. Now we're gonna cut it. Boom shakalaka. Yeah. Yeah. I did say yeah. Oh, I'm gonna get grounded now, guys. Alright, guys, look at that goodness right there. Ooh, doggy, that's juicy, guys. You know you gotta get yourself some.